moving my 12-volt refrigerator. The freezer gets to 5 degrees when it's running during the day. Ran it on my solar system. I had to build a ramp. It's heavy onto the back of my F350. I'm going to try and maybe put it on rollers, but it's worth a lot of money. When it was new, it runs. Trying to save it. Take the sides off. I'm getting rollers under it. The weight's going that way now. I'll put rollers on the inside and get it moving towards the F350. That's where the solar 12-volt refrigerator was. I made an outside box so it took up less room on the porch. Built a ramp. Almost got it on the F350. It weighs a lot. Moving it by myself. Where the big 12-volt refrigerator was. Built a ramp. Put bricks under it both sides. It's heavy. Moved it by myself. Now I can load it on the trailer.